A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal showdown, the U.S. Supreme Court convened on Thursday to hear oral arguments regarding President Donald Trump's controversial executive order aimed at stripping birthright citizenship from millions of children born in the United States. This consolidated case has raised critical questions not only about the legality of the executive order itself, but also about the power of federal district judges to issue nationwide injunctions that can block such orders from taking effect. The heart of the matter lies in whether federal judges can effectively halt presidential directives that impact large groups of individuals, a practice that has become a focal point of contention during Trump's presidency. During the session, Justice Sonia Sotomayor emerged as a vocal critic of Trump's position, challenging Solicitor General John Sauer on the constitutional implications of the executive order. Sotomayor pointedly remarked that Trump's assertion to deny citizenship to U.S.-born children of undocumented immigrants and temporary lawful visitors contradicts both the Constitution's plain meaning and over a century of Supreme Court rulings. As far as I see it, Sotomayor stated, this order violates 4 Supreme Court precedents, indicating a strong skepticism towards the legality of the president's directive. Justice Neil Gorsuch echoed Sotomayor's concerns, probing Sauer about the government's rationale for suggesting that alternative, less immediate remedies could exist for those affected by the executive order. Gorsuch's inquiries hinted at his own doubts regarding the legality of Trump's actions, as he noted, the injury from Trump's executive order is immediate and ongoing and might be seriously questioned as to its compliance with this court's precedents. The oral arguments revealed a palpable tension within the court, as justices grappled with the implications of allowing the Trump administration to implement such a sweeping policy change. While the Solicitor General appeared to find some common ground with justices who have previously criticized the practice of nationwide injunctions, the overall sentiment regarding the executive order itself remained decidedly negative. Notably, no justice openly supported Trump's attempt to redefine birthright citizenship, casting further doubt on the administration's legal footing. The case brought to the forefront the intricate balance of power between the executive branch and the judiciary, particularly in light of the numerous nationwide injunctions that have been issued against Trump's policies since he assumed office. With over 40 such injunctions in place, the Trump administration has expressed frustration over what it perceives as judicial overreach impeding its ability to govern effectively. Legal experts have noted that the Supreme Court's eventual ruling could have far-reaching consequences, not only for the future of birthright citizenship but also for the broader question of judicial authority in the face of executive action. The justices' deliberations on Thursday suggested a potential inclination to limit the scope of nationwide injunctions, which could reshape the landscape of how federal judges interact with executive orders moving forward. As the court continues to evaluate the implications of this case, the focus remains on the critical question of whether the Constitution guarantees birthright citizenship. With the justices expressing skepticism towards the legality of Trump's order, it appears increasingly likely that the court may issue a narrow ruling focused on the injunction issue, postponing a definitive resolution on the constitutional debate surrounding citizenship until a later date. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for future executive actions and the extent to which federal judges can intervene in matters of national policy. As the nation watches closely, the Supreme Court is poised to make a decision that could reverberate through the halls of power and impact countless lives across the country. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.